Hello dear Capricorns, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March last week's exclusive Love Plus Career reading. Yes, you've heard that correct. I have been doing exclusively love reading and a lot of you have been messaging, ma'am, do career related reading as well. So I have started weekly Love Plus Career reading as well instead of just love reading. Okay, so this reading is going to be from 24th of March till the 31st, and we will see first what is happening in your love life and what is happening in your career as well. So for your love, you've got the Four of Moons, the Completed World, and the Lover's card. Well, I do see that you are in some sort of no contact and separation situation, right? Something which is hurting you. This person might have blocked you, or they chose somebody else, right? Or they just left you, never confessed the feelings, or it was an on and off situationship where they never confirmed their feelings to you, or confessed their feelings to you, or gave you any sort of commitment. If you were in that situation and if you have been hoping desperately for the situation to change, this is the week for you. I do see some sort of third party situation in your relationship which was trying to stop you from getting the ultimate happiness in your relationship or marriage even. This third party can be extramarital affair. This third party can be some other ex of theirs or some other options that they have, or it could simply mean that some sort of friends or family influence that was stopping from this union from happening. I do see all that will be going away now. All your blockages will be getting removed and you will have that completed world in your hand. So it's a beautiful card to have in a reading. It is a card of reconciliation if you have been hoping for that. If you have been single for a very long time and waiting on someone, then yes, it is a card of beautiful committed relationship as well. And if you have been in a relationship but the marriage was not happening because of the family influence, friend influence, or any other crisis that you might have, it is a card of a fulfilling happy marriage as well. So any problem that you have, that will be going away. Even if you're married and you were planning for a pregnancy related news, trying to have a baby and that was not happening due to whatever reason, it will happen now. Your life will start moving forward, your personal life will move forward. If you were feeling incomplete, you will start to feel feel complete in the last week, right? You will think that okay, now my life is complete, now my world is complete, now I have a spouse, now I have a kid, or I have a home, whatever that you wished for. Okay, so beautiful cards to have in love. Now let's talk about your career. You have got the Eight of Moons, the Eight of Suns, and the Star card. Well, I do see that first of all, 8-8, you could be seeing a lot of 8-8 on the clock. So please try to look for the meaning of it. Google it. 8-8 can be significant for you. The angel message is very loud. It can be any other angel number that you're seeing, but this particular popped up in your reading. So I do see that you are very fearful around this time because of a change that is coming for you, right? I do feel that you feel like you're moving into an unknown space, an uncharted territory, something that you've never done before, right? It can be that you want to start a new business, right? And you're very scared. It can be that you want to take up a new job, but you're not sure of, how the people are going to be, how is it going to be, if there's going to be politics, if this is going to bring you a steady income or not, or some of you are even thinking of leaving job and going for higher studies as well. No matter what you're thinking right now, it can be even moving houses, right? Changing homes, changing places, going to another state, city, country. No matter what the fear that you have, it is going to become beautiful for you, right? So there's nothing to worry. Cards are saying there is a beautiful new beginning written for you. The decision that you're planning to make, the decision that you're scared to make is going to bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of new beginnings, a lot of celebrations coming your way. Yes, it might be scary at once, moving to another city or taking up a new job or leaving job and starting something new. Yes, it can be scary, but there's nothing to be scared at all because the cards are very positive. Happiness is waiting for you on the next side of the fear. So you have to just take that first step. Okay. I also see a star card here, which is a card of wish fulfillment. So no matter what you're planning and thinking of or wishing, you're wishing to clear an exam, it's going to happen. You're wishing to move to a better city or better apartment, better house, it's going to happen. Move, that change that you're planning to make, it's going to happen. You want to join a new company, you want to start a new business, anything that you're wishing for is going to come true, and it's going to be coming true beautifully. It's not like a scary move, it's not something that will give you negative results. It's only going to give you positive results because the cards are beautifully positive for you. So don't worry, Capricorns, take that first step. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be amazing for you. So just close your eyes and jump, okay? So no matter if you, whether we talk about your love life or career life, it's going to be beautiful. The last week of March is going to be beautiful for you. Big changes are coming for you, whether we talk about your personal life or career. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know that yes, this is exactly what is happening in your life. And please do also follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. If you would like to book a reading or a ritual regarding any area of your life, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well. DM me and take the bookings. Okay. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.